This video will show you how to properly install your new Feit Electric Smart Wi-Fi Flush Mount Ceiling Fixture. Your fixture comes with wire nuts, screws, and your smart fixture. If you are unable to identify your wires, please consult an electrician. Make sure that you turn the power off, both at the switch and breaker, before beginning the install. Then, remove the mounting plate from the fixture's backplate. Secure it to the junction box on your ceiling using the provided screws. To properly wire your fixture, start by connecting the green or copper ground wire from your house and the fixture's yellow ground wire to the green screw on the mounting plate. Be sure to keep the wires in place while tightening the screw. Then, connect your house's neutral supply wire to the fixture's white wire using one of the wire nuts. Give your wires a tug to ensure that the wire nuts are secure. Repeat this process with your house's hot wire and the fixture's black wire. Once connected, tuck the wires into the junction box and lift the fixture's backplate over the mounting screws. Then, secure the backplate using the mounting nuts. Now, secure the lens to the backplate by aligning the arrows on the side of the fixture and twisting the lens clockwise. Finally, restore the power at the breaker and the switch. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new Smart Flush Mount Ceiling Fixture.